Hey guys, today I'm going to make a video on Mitsubishi Pajaro 2012 model. Normally all the Pajaros from 2005 to 2015, they have similar control units, similar system like 4x4 and others. So issue with this car while driving 4x4 lights start blinking, and sometime car is customer complain he start feeling the car is like get heavier and it's not giving like actual power in the road. So the lights start blinking automatically. Okay, this is the light I show you. Wait, yeah, you see, normally it's not blink without changing. This is a manual 4x4 gear lever. So if I drive this car around, I test drive this car and this light is start blinking while driving. So I will tell you what's the issue with this car. So guys, while driving, this light is start blinking. This is a diff lock light. It's normally activate on 4 low. Guys, if the diff lock lights it start blinking as I shown in the video, it's very common issue in this car, and mostly people they get confused because there is no OBD scan for this 4x4. It's manual, it's operating manually. So I will show you about this diff lock light, why it start blinking. If you have two wheel lights there and while driving all the time, the diff lock start blinking. So here, these are the part number of two solenoids. I will show you. Just give me a minute. Guys, car on the lift, and if you can see here, this is the motor, a 4x4 actuator, and these three are the position switches that gives the light inside the meter. And this motor is controlled by vacuum also. You see the vacuum pipe here. So normally the problem with this motor, and I've seen many times, if someone is not using 4x4 from long time, and once he used it like after 5 years, so this motor is actually stuck from inside. So that's why while driving it's start blinking, because it's in between of neutral and 4x4. In that case, we remove this motor and try to fix it. If it's fixed, it's okay, otherwise we need to put a new one. But this customer is saying to us to disable the 4x4, so only we just need to remove the clip out, the grip out, and it will not blinking again. So let's see, we are going to open and try to fix it first. If it's get fixed, it's fine, otherwise we will remove the grip out and put the 4x4 in neutral and then give to the customer. So guys, I unscrew the bolts. There is 12mm, 3 bolts there. It's totally unscrewed. One vacuum hose, another one this. But we need to pull this out from the top. We are going to change the position of the gear 4x4, then it can be released. You can see the latch over there. Okay. Hey guys, this is not a subject of the video. This is diff lock. As I told you, the light is start blinking, yellow light in the middle of 4x4 warnings. So this is the diff lock actuator. It's a mechanically function. with the vacuum. That's the vacuum pipe, and this is the switch. Once the vacuum build in the line, it's engaged the diff lock, and this is the position sensor switch. It show the into the meter because like diff lock is working. If without engaging the 4x4, the light is start blinking, it's responsible there is a vacuum leak here in the line, and that's why it's go all the way in, and it's give the sign diff lock is working, but there is no 4x4 command from there, so that's why it start blinking in the meter. So I will show you as I show you in the beginning, the two solenoid switch. I show you the part number. Now I will show you the location where they are exactly, and these sensor is the cause of this warning sign. If you see the wire, all the pipes are fine, and if you have this light, first you need to check this. Once you open the down cover, you will see it's engaged fully inside, and once you open from here, you will see the vacuum leak. So it's mean there is a solenoid switch is not working properly, it's leaking. So these are the switch for diff lock solenoids, 10mm 2 bolts. And if you have no lift and it's hard for you to remove from the down, only try to remove this vacuum pipe. Oh my god, like this, and you will hear a sucking noise coming from this pipe. If you hear that type of noise, it means it's leaking, so it's not holding the vacuum, because there is no command here, but it's still giving the vacuum to the diff lock. So it means the solenoid is damaged. Mostly 99% I change this, and the diff lock lights start blinking, go fine. Guys, I drove the car, no more blinks, the lights are steady now, no more issues. I drive like 1 kilometer. Before it's immediately start flashing and car go heavy. Sometime it's only flashing, but I hope the problem is fixed, and it's a cheap repair. Only we disconnect the motor harness and car is fine now.